Part two. We still up here. It's been about probably 5 minutes. 5, 6 minutes. Getting real in now. Look at the beautiful water. Yeah, I can see it's getting closer already. Look at the beautiful water. Again, the most beautiful, talented, and lovely. Who?
Omega and Pharaoh.
Was right here beside me. And look at I'm showing y'all the beach right now. Wish I could zoom in, but I can't. Let me show y'all the sun. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. Living in its finest. Wow. We're getting reeled in now. Now I'm going to capture this whole thing on film just before we hit the boat. If my fingers get in the way because I'm holding my damn cell phone as tight as I motherfucking can so I won't drop this shit in the middle of the Atlantic. One more time. Who is this beautiful lady?
Omega and Pharaoh.
This is awesome. Isn't she beautiful?
Hi.
Ain't she beautiful? Pretty spot. Fashion needs at the moment. Hey. We getting reeled in. Again, this is who? Sky Love the Truth, a.k.a. government name Myron R. Lyles. And we here parasailing.
Can he differ? You can hold the phone in your hand.
We are parasailing.
Yeah, you can hold the phone up. You don't. No, you can hold.
We are parasailing. She's crazy. Sorry for that little. Oh shit. No. You motherfuckers. We about to get dipped. This crazy ass bitch I went about to dip us. What the fuck? We going in Atlantic. Oh, you.